Service bays are full of potential dangers, including toxic chemicals, heavy machinery, and high voltage equipment. Technicians must remain vigilant and take steps to avoid workplace accidents. To help accomplish this, I'm here today to share our top 5 shop safety tips. First and foremost, always follow your organization's shop rules and regulations, as these are designed with the utmost regard for worker safety. Next, ensure you wear personal protective equipment, or PPE, whenever it is necessary. Doing so protects you from preventable accidents. Our third tip is to maintain a clean and organized work area. This includes properly storing your tools after use, immediately cleaning up any messes, and ensuring any tripping hazards are removed from the area or secured. Next up is how to deal with combustible, fluid-soaked rags. Always put these used rags in their designated safety bin, which should have an automatic closing lid. And finally, if an issue does arise, you must know how to quickly respond. Be sure you know the location of all fire extinguishers and be aware of the eye washing stations in your area. For more resources to improve shop safety, visit us at norgon.com.